fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video for you guys. So today on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this very easy recipe of strawberry and banana smoothie. Okay, on this version I'm going to be using some things I did not use in my first my first smoothie video. Okay guys, so stay tuned while I show you around on how I made this very easy. And yeah, please, if you loved smoothie, please try out this recipe. I know it's a very popular recipe, but a lot of people still haven't seen it yet and might have been seeing it but have not tried it yet. I want to tell you that this is very easy. You can actually do it yourself. Just pick up the ingredients and go for it. Okay, let's go right into the video right now. So I'm going to be showing you around everything I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using all these ingredients, and yeah, let me show you around right now. So the first thing on my list is my banana, and then I have my strawberries, very fresh, and I have my ice, and I have my milk. You can get a low-fat milk, okay? And this was the only one I find because I normally use the 1%, but I couldn't get it, so I got this 3.5%. So guys, these are everything I'm going to be using: my banana, my strawberries, my milk and ice, and then my Vuzel Hub mixer that I'm going to be using to do the magic. Okay, so stay tuned. Let me wash up and peel off my ingredients, and we'll be ready to take off with the process. So first thing you see me doing is peeling my bananas into my mixer. I'll put a good amount of banana, and then I'll put some strawberries. Don't just make your blender too full. If you're blending and you feel you need to add more, then you should add. But yeah, I was adding some strawberries, and then I added sugar. I added sugar to this recipe. I added a little sugar, my little teaspoon sugar. So that was what I added to it, and then I added my ice, and then I blended it. I added my milk as well, guys, not forgetting. Those are my ingredients. Keep watching. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the first round. Yay, my smoothie is ready, and I will repeat the same process with all of them. Putting in my banana, then putting in my strawberry, putting in my ice and my milk, and a little teaspoon of sugar. Okay, so guys, keep watching. just finished with my smoothie, and oh my god, this is so healthy. It's delicious and it's everything. Okay guys, this is something you need to have anytime you have like family get together, anytime you just want something soft, something light without eating. Sometimes I use it as a meal replacement for myself as well. So guys, don't forget to try this recipe and let me know what you think about it below in the comment section, and also subscribe, share and like this video if you find it useful. Thank you so much. Ciao, and see you in my next video. And Brian, you like it? That's good. And do you like it, Jason?
Yes, it tastes good.
Good.